Hello friends, today in this video I will tell you how to create a manually system restore point in Windows 11. So very simple. Stay with me. My name is Gaurav and you're watching Honest Mark. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to click here and go to the system. In the system, you can see where the advanced system setting the mention. So click on it and just when you click on the system protection under this, always make sure system the Windows C protected should be on, not off. Okay, the right now it is off, that's why you cannot create. So let me configure it, turn on and apply and okay. Now after this you are able to create a restore point right now. So create this, and now here what you do, you have to write name, so identify the restore point. So right now I'm doing here Jan 2023. So create a point. So it will take a few seconds to complete, make sure this restore point. Now restore point was created successfully. So friends, this is the way that you can create a successful restore point in your Windows. Friends, that's all in this video. How did you like? If you like this video, please share with your friends.